So all the hair, all our hair, let me show you our hair quality, okay? Show you our hair quality. So beautiful, right? All the hair is so good and we can do all the color. So if you like wigs, if you like women topper, if you like mean toupee, we can do all kinds, okay? This one, do you think very beautiful? I love it so much. Right? These two. This 1 and 2. This beautiful color and also all the color. Do you think this color? It's very beautiful, right? So we can do all the kind of the colors. Also we can do all the kind of the hair grade. So if you like any kind, we have for human hair. We have all the products for the human hair we can do for you. We can do customized order. Also we have stock, okay? If you like our, if you like any need, please don't hesitate to ask me questions, okay? This one. This one, these two. So beautiful, right? I love it. I love it so much because it's silky and smooth and all the hair is very healthy, right? Okay. Okay, and for the black, you can do different. This hair is so heavy, so it can make you more beautiful when you wear so many, wear so many hair, right? This hair also very beautiful, right? So our hair, so we can do all kinds of the wigs, right? Do you like it? All the color and all the hairstyle. So if you like any kind, just give me your questions, okay? Just give me your requirement, okay? I'm glad to answer your questions and I am glad to make friends with all of you, okay? It's one. So we just have 2 minutes. We just have 2 minutes to finish this live stream. And also we do live stream every day. If you like any kind of the human hair toupee, mean wig, mean chopper, just don't hesitate to let me know, okay? We can do all kinds and we can make bulk order. We can also follow your requirement to do a very beautiful customized order, okay? Okay. This one. So please don't hesitate to let me know if you like any kind, okay? And we since we are direct human hair factory, we really do a very good job because we have more than 15 years human hair experience. And also we focus on how customers focus and we do a very good work. So all our customers very like them. So if you can be our customers, just give me your requirement and we can meet you all your requirement, okay? So do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just follow our account and send us message or send us comment on our post, okay? And I'm very happy for you to accompany me for this live stream, and we do live stream every day. Hope to meet you tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much. We see you tomorrow. Bye bye.